Shamans are one of the world's leading authorities to use medicines found in nature as well as their spiritual healing abilities to help heal your mental, physical, and spiritual body. They have a multisensory capacity to communicate with animals and nature to help heal themselves and their communities from trauma that can leave the body feeling dysregulated, that can leave the mind feeling dysregulated, as well as the emotions feeling dysregulated. And oftentimes, if this goes dysregulated for a period of time in your spiritual energy, in your energetic body, it ends up as physical symptoms in the body. And shamans help to prevent that from happening. Here are some ways that you'll know that you're being called to awaken your inner shaman. You'll begin experiencing deeply prophetic dreams. Like you'll be able to see things way before it happened. You'll be able to experience things way before it's here. And it'll come to you in dream-like vision. You'll experience an intense knowing about people who are close to you. So like sisters, brothers, best friends. You'll just know certain things about them that they never shared with you, but you'll know it. And when you ask them, they'll confirm it. Like, yeah, that's so true. So that's another way. Animals are going to be attracted to you. Like people could be walking their dogs near you and their dogs are going to want to run to you all the time. And it'll happen so constantly, not just once or twice, but it's always happening. Anytime you're around any animals, they'll be drawn to your energy. You'll find that whenever you're seeking answers for something, you'll find either birds or squirrels will actually come up to your window and just stay there for a little bit. Sometimes the birds are singing, sometimes the squirrels are just playing around, but they're staying with you to reassure you that you're going to be okay. You become aware of the energy in every space in which you're in. Like you become acutely aware of it. Like you just walk into the space and it's like your spidey senses are up and you can pick up on everybody's energy in the space and you can know what's going on even if they never say anything to you. And also babies. Babies are going to be so attracted to you. I can't go anywhere with babies without babies like, huh. My parents are usually like, this baby is so quiet. I'm not sure why she's acting like this. I know why. So if you're feeling this call and you're ready to embody the lifestyle of a practicing shaman, like somebody who practices this every day, applications are currently open for my 1-year Shamanic Apprenticeship training program starting in September. I'll only be accepting 2 apprentices for this training cohort. If you believe that you are one of the 2, you can see the application and profile and apply. Peace.